C3 time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1980 Chevrolet Corvette C3. As you can see, T-top car, of course. Does have the glass mirrored T-tops for it. I believe it would have been CC1 RPO code. This particular car, still in its original colors. This would have been a classic white number 10 paint code with 292 dark blue leather interior. Has had a repaint along the way somewhere, and it does show we have some kind of paint right there. You can see where the spoiler's built up into the fender. There are some spots where there's been touch up to it, as you can see there. Another little spot over on the passenger headlight. A little bit of checking on the hood, but overall shows nicely. It's one, get in and drive it. Don't have to worry about a nick or chip here or there. Get in, drive it, have some fun. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see this car from every angle, underside, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Have any questions on this one, consult with your sales associate. Now, underneath the hood, 350 powered V8 underneath there. That is paired up with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes are also equipped underneath there, as well as AC. AC does blow cold, has been converted from the R12 also. As you can see, passenger side, up and down it, that does show nicely there. A little bit of paint flaws kind of along here. I don't know if you can pick that up. A little bit of kind of clear run. Riding on ARE wheels. Hoosier radial tires. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And there are the T-tops. Took them off for the video and pictures. They will obviously be included with the purchase of this vehicle. UniqueClassicCars.com. So where you can see the still pictures, or click on that link down below this video in the descriptions. It's going to take you right there. Also noticed while picturing up the engine bay, and if you look at the still pictures there, you're going to see engine has been refreshened, it appears. It does have HEI ignition on it, a cell I believe it was, and Edelbrock intake, headers. So there have been some things done underneath the hood also. Speaking of hood, I wanted to show you a couple of those, just like where you got a little kind of a little stress crack. And I don't know, it's in the clear. I don't know if you can really pick that up or not, but some just light stress cracks, kind of more in the clear, if anything. Go ahead and check out this interior. I also have pictures. Right now I have the floor mats in there, but I do have pictures without the floor mats in. There's pictures of the rear carpeting, seats, everything there on the still pictures. And remember, 292 dark blue leather would have been the original way this came, the way you see it now. Power windows on this one. Tilt, telescoping wheel. Does have a Kenwood aftermarket stereo that was installed, and that does work. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Check out that engine bay. Shows 78,000 miles. This is prior to a 17-digit VIN, so I cannot confirm via Carfax if that's accurate. As far as original or not, I believe to be original. I cannot confirm or deny, kind of judging by the way interior looks and condition. Very easily believable. It appears that all the gauges were working except for the clock. Very common. And there's your Kenwood aftermarket stereo, AC controls. And again, AC blows cold, stereo works. Also wanted to show you headlights, also work. Kind of see those. Also show you the wipers. Wipers do work. So you kind of have it. A little run down of the interior, slip around to the back so you can hear this run. And we'll check out that engine bay. Nice little rumble coming out of that 350. And again, that is paired up with the turbo 350 automatic transmission. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. Let's get this hood popped and we'll check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Smooth running 350. Again, Edelbrock intake added. There you can see the HAI engine. Got the air cleaner breathing a little bit there. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Once again, AC is cold. You come over here, see where it's been converted from the R12, newer fittings. There you go, looking for a C3 Corvette. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.